If you think AI writes better stories but still miss the soul of a good tale, then let's take a trip back in time. Imagine the click-clack of keys as you press them, feeling each letter imprint onto paper. It's like magic in your fingertips. Unlike AI-generated stories, which are flawless but empty, a typewriter demands your quirks, your pauses, your humanity. Each keystroke is a rebellion, a shout into the void that says, "I am here and I am real." Our young writer discovered this treasure, and with it she crafted tales AI could never replicate. Her stories may have smudges, typos and imperfections, but they carry a warmth and soul that resonate deeper than digital perfection. In a world where perfection is programmed, authenticity stands out. So, dust off that old typewriter and let your creativity flow. Because sometimes the echoes of the past hold the keys to our most human future. SFX Final Typewriter Ding.